Okay, there's the run-up. Complete. Springdale Tower, Cessna 7602 Golf is at the west ramp with the weather ready to taxi to remain in the pattern.
Shark 7602 Golf, Springdale Tower, runway 18, taxi to Alpha.
18 Alpha, 7602 Golf. Okay. Springdale Tower, Cessna 7602 Golf, holding short of 18, ready for departure.
7602 Golf, hold short, runway 18 for landing traffic.
Holding short of 18, 7602 Golf.
RBA Kilo Victor, runway 18, clear to land. Number 2, you follow Skyhawk short final.
Will remain west.
602
Okay.
Golf, you're following the Cessna on the go. Make left traffic, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
18 clear for takeoff, make left traffic, 7602 Golf.
And traffic's an RV in about a 2.5 mile final.
Traffic in sight, 02 Golf.
They're moving pretty quick, so I wouldn't delay too much.
Okay. Okay. Engine instruments in the green. Airspeed's alive. Two.
Cessna 15 Golf, good job today. You can taxi park with me.
Taxi park with you, 15 Golf. Thank you. Good job to you as well. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you. Cessna 02 Golf, runway 18, clear for the option, wind verbal 4.
18 clear for the option, 02 Golf. Bit firm.
A little firm, but bad. Not bad.